Hi.
Hi Bhavna, please have a seat.
Our senior doctor, Dr. Ikshita Jory, will be consulting with you today.
Hi,
She's
ma'am.
a celebrity dermatologist in Delhi NCR.
So tell me Bhavna, how can I help you today?
I'm so over this hair drama. I don't know what to do. My hair has just totally given up.
So what exactly is the issue that you're facing with your hair? Is it that your hair is falling too much, or you just don't have enough growth, they're not growing longer, or the hair that is falling is not being replaced by new hair, which means that your density is decreasing day by day. So what's the category that you fall in?
It's just a mix of all. I'm facing hair fall, there is no volume, and there's decrease in density. I am so fed up with this.
Okay, so let me examine your hair first.
Sure.
So Bhavna, there are multiple factors for hair loss. So similarly, there are multiple micronutrients like selenium that your hair requires to get the perfect hair, to balance the growth and to not have hair fall, which happens as per seasons. So here, mesotherapy is a therapy where we use one serum which has all the micronutrients, hair peptides, that is the protein in the form that your hair requires. It has growth factors, so antioxidants, all of these things in a simple serum form is applied on your scalp, and it is inculcated into your roots. It's actually infused through your scalp into the roots through a machine. So this is a very comfortable procedure, no needles, and it should be done by everyone ideally once in a month to maintain the perfect health for hair. So let's do this one for you today, and that will definitely help with your hair.
Wow, mesotherapy, that sounds so fancy and exciting. I'm so excited for it. Let's go for it. Hi, my name is Bhavna Jaiswal and I'm a full-time interior designer. Being an interior designer means living between dust, cement, paint and whatnot. So that means a damage to your hair. I was so worried and I had so many hair related issues. I was doing a lot of research and a friend of mine, she recommended me Skinfinity, and where I consulted Dr. Ikshita Jory, and she did a nice examination and she was very patient throughout to hear and find out all the solution for my hair problem. And we did a nice scalp examination where she found out about the issues and recommended me mesotherapy. The treatment was done by doctor herself. That was the amazing and the best part, because as like in the other clinics, it is just done by the technicians or other subordinates. Here she was herself looking and taking care of all the treatment. Apart from that, the overall service and the staff treatment is amazing. I am so happy and I can definitely see the visible results just with one treatment, and I'm going to continue as per the suggestion of Dr. Ikshita Jory.